Hello, hello, hello. It's Elaine Powell here. Just a little quick one to say that I have, I guess this is a goal in the last 6 months, accrued gross. I think it's about 120,000 US. So I guess with my TEDx, I am part of the 100K club now. Where's my 10K? Here is my 10K. And now, Ed, I'm and Dave, I'm looking forward to the 100K plaque. But thank you so much for all your support, the team, Dave, Ava, Luana, Laura. Have I forgot? And all the other fabulous people on my program and in my sales um, group with Dave, Rebecca, Angie, Juliet, yeah, so many, Jan, and yeah, just want to, and Miriam. Thank you so much. Loving the journey with Ed, El Capitan. Love your banter, love your commitment to us to have us grow and excel in our businesses. So yeah, I'm looking forward to my 100K plaque. Whoop whoop. And eventually my 2 comma club award, 3 comma club. Yes, at some point. All right then. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it. We can all do this. It's very possible. Keep focused. Keep just amending what works, what doesn't work, what works, what doesn't work. Don't beat yourself up. It is consistency and just keeping at it, and you'll get there. All right then. Ciao, ciao.